Want to buy Disneyland tickets? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy Disneyland tickets. First thing first, you need to head over to Safari and search for Disneyland tickets. Different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the first one. In this page, you can explore the location. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more. Select the one which is gonna be suitable for you. Click on View Available Dates. Now select the date of the ticket you want to purchase. Let me select July 30. Once selected, select the type of ticket. Once selected, now you can select your options from here. You can choose any one of it. Once selected, tap on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, select the number of tickets. Once selected, click on Next. It will lead you to the payment page. In this page, you have to enter all of your detailed informations and also select the payment method. Once you have entered the payment method, click on Confirm and Pay. Once the amount gets paid, your Disneyland ticket will be booked and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.